Hyundai has established the Santa Fe in the Philippine market back in 2007. Since then, the 7-seater SUV has been shaking the competition due to its diesel engine plus offering a lot of features for a reasonable price. Fast forward to 2018 where Hyundai has just launched the 4th generation Santa Fe at the 2018 Manila International Auto Show. The Santa Fe is now bigger, wider, taller, and gives a more upscale vibe compared to its predecessor. Think of it as a mix between the regular Santa Fe and the Grand Santa Fe. Up front is Hyundai's signature cascading grille, together with daytime running lights up top and LED headlights taking up real estate at the bumper. This side receives a more muscular look with a sharp crease that won't look out of place in an Audi. There are wide rear haunches adding width to the car and large windows finished in chrome trim. The rear LED tail lamps feature this neat 3D effect which should look good in EDSA traffic. Inside, the Santa Fe features a sculpted dash with soft touch materials throughout the cabin. There's a 7-inch touchscreen unit located front and center in the driver's sightline, and the HVAC controls are logically laid out below. The gauges feature a digital speedometer that shows the driver various information of the vehicle, such as radio, navigation, and whatnot. Even a heads-up display is available. There are a lot of storage spaces, cup holders, and charging ports inside. While there are plenty of space for people, the model shown here is a 5-seater variant, but expect the Philippine market to receive a 3rd-row option. Safety-wise, the Santa Fe is available with dual front airbags, side curtain airbags, rear parking sensors with a backup camera, smart keyless entry, and a system called Rear Occupant Alert. It basically warns the driver if he or she forgets about the rear passengers when exiting the vehicle. There's also a blind spot assist for the rear doors that prevents passengers from opening the door from oncoming traffic. Powering the Santa Fe will be a sole 2.2-liter CRDIE VGT diesel engine making 190 horsepower and 440 Nm of torque. Power is delivered to the front wheels by an 8-speed automatic. At launch, the Santa Fe gets one well-equipped GLS 2-wheel drive variant with a price of 2.3 million pesos. Hyundai is accepting reservations now with deliveries starting around the 3rd quarter of 2018.